Wait. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for attending Zoom PGRI Jabar Speaks Up meeting today. The Honorable Committee of Speaks Up Jabar, English teachers, and all beloved participants. First of all, let us thank to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to make Zoom meeting in Jabar Speaks Up event. Secondly, salawat and salam also delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the brightness. I'm Syahrul Nur Cahya from SMK PGRI Telagasari Karawang as a moderator today. Okay, before we start our presentation, we have rules for today's presentation. For presenter, the first, please mute your microphone during the other participant that presentation. Okay. Second, please turn on the camera. And third, in Q&A session for the presenters must prepare 3 questions. You can ask the question if I allow to ask. Okay, next, we have rules for observer. The first, please mute your microphone during the presenter to give the presentation. Second, you may ask as many as questions. And the third, write your question on the chat box. You may read your question if I allow you. Okay, that is the rules. Next, we start our presentation. For the first presentation, we have from SMA PGRI Cikampek. For SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you there?
Sorry, Syahrul, can you show the picture? Can you open the camera?
Oh,
okay.
Sorry. Okay. I forgot, Miss.
Okay, go on.
Okay. For SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you there?
Okay, you may go to the other school.
Oh, okay.
Been ready.
Okay, Miss. Okay, for the second group, until we wait SMA PGRI Cikampek, we have SMK PGRI Selawi. Are you there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry if you have trouble. For SMK PGRI Selawi, are you ready for presentation?
Yes. Ready.
Okay, time is yours and good luck.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that has given us a chance to this time we can gather her in the event of Jabar Speak Up Batch 3. Salawat and salam we give to our good Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Honorable Miss Dede, and all the teacher here, host, moderator, and all my friends. Ladies and gentlemen, we are from SMK PGRI Selawi. Let us introduce our group members. My name is Diana Citra Susanti. My name is Diana Citra Susanti, and next to me is Hilma Fitrian Ahida and Gita Puspita Maharani. The topic that we will convey is Papandayan Mountain. Papandayan Mountain. Do you know Papandayan Mountain is a stratovolcano located in Garut Regency, Persiaba precisely in Cisurupan district. The mountain with a height of 2,665 meters above sea level is located about 70 kilometers southeast of the city of Bandung. The topography in the area is steep, hilly, and mountainous, and there are swiftly. According to the classification of Smith and Ferguson, it belongs to the weak climate type, with an average rainfall of 3,000 millimeters per year, air humidity of 70 to 80%, and a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, without any further, Hilma will explain the next material. For Hilma, time is yours.
Thank you, Diana. I will explain the next material. How to get to Papandayan Mountain. For visitors who use public transportation from Jakarta, Bogor, and Bandung, and surrounding areas, visitors must first go to Guntur Terminal in Garut and then continue the journey to the foot of the mountain. If the visitors arrive at Guntur Terminal in the early morning, they can use a minibus to the Cisurupan T junction and continue by taking a pickup truck deliberately waits for climbers until it is full, then the pickup will depart. If visiting by private vehicle, please go straight to the foot of the mountain because the parking lot is quite large. Costs. The fees charged are not expensive for tourist attractions that cover all age groups. Here are the details. Entrance ticket is 35,000 rupiah per person. Parking is 30,000 rupiah per car. Pick-up car rental is 20,000 rupiah to 30,000 rupiah per person. Facilities at Mount Papandayan. Spacious and convenient parking area, toilet and clean water, guards patrolling day and night, hiking trail that have been laid out neatly and comfortable. There are several seats, huts, and stalls on the hiking trail. The cleanliness of the tourist area is maintained. Mosque, food stall, information office, viewing tower, and wading pool. Papandayan Mountain Hiking Trail. Climbing Papandayan Mountain can be done in 2 days and 1 night. The path is quite gentle. Still make sure to bring the necessary hiking equipment. One Camp David to Mars crater is 20 minutes. Okay, let's start the climb. After leaving Camp David, you will pass through a crater that is still emitting steam. You can see steam rising out of it. Occasionally, you can hear the sound of super boiling from the crater hole. The view of white volcanic rock combined with steam here and there is incredibly beautiful. About 20 to 30 minutes walk through a crater. A small path will take you to the ridge. Maybe that's all from me. I give it back to Diana.
Okay, thank you, Hilma. Now we move to guitar. For guitar, time is yours.
Thank you, Diana. Next, Mars crater to Pondok Salada 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours of climbing, depending of speed and stamina, arrive at Pondok Salada. You can camp here. There is clean water too, or continue climbing to Tegal Alun. Next, Pondok Salada to Dead Forest to Tegal Alun. 1 hour. Path is very steep, but it takes 30 to 45 minutes to reach Tegal Alun. This area is built with beautiful Edelweiss flower bed. From Tegal Alun, it is close to the top. Tourist attraction spot. Some of the interesting locations frequently visited by tourists include Sulphur Crater. On Papandayan Mountain, there are several famous craters. Among them are Mas crater, Baru crater, Nangkot crater, and Manu crater. The crater emits steam from the inside. Next, Edelweiss Field. You can look a view of the Edelweiss Field on Papandayan Mountain. Edelweiss are mostly found in Tegal Alun, or the peak of Papandayan. Next, Date forest. The date forest is filled with chantigi trees that are dead and living dry trunks that create its own beauty. This forest is located above the main crater of Papandayan Mountain. From here, Mount Chikurai, which is to the north of Papandayan, can be seen vaguely from behind dry tree branches. Next, scenery and mountain. At this point, you can enjoy three beauties at once: the crater area at the bottom, the dead forest behind, and the panoramic view of the mountain peak in front of your eyes. Next, Milky Way. The night sky when it is clear over Papandayan Mountain is beautiful. The stars shine so brightly, the stars slowly begin to disappear with warm and yellow sunlight and begin to emerge at around 3:30 p.m. In Papandayan, there are several spots that are suitable to enjoy the process of sunrise. For example, in Bukit Soni, Goberhat Campground, and Pondok Salada Campground. Next, hot spring. There is a natural hot spring pool in the Papandayan area. The hot spring pool is located around the vehicle parking area, precisely behind the prayer room. Visitor will be charged an additional fee of is 25,000 rupiah per person to enjoy the warm water from a natural source, match the cool air of the highlands. Next, Pondok Salada. This is a meadow area of 8 hectares with an altitude of is 2,288 meters above sea level. This is area Cisalada River from throughout the year. This location is perfect for camping. Maybe that's all for me. I give it back to Diana.
Okay, thank you, Gita. Okay, I will read the conclusion. Papandayan is a stratovolcano located in Garut Regency, Uchiapa Presidency in Cisurupan Subdistrict. In historical records, Mount Papandayan has erupted several times, namely on the 12th of August 1772, the 11th of March 1923, the 15th of August 1942, the 11th of November 2002. To get to Mount Papandayan, visitors must go to the Guntur Garut terminal and then continue the journey to the foot of the mountain. To climb Mount Papandayan, it can be done in 2 days, 1 night, and there you can find some interesting. These locations that are often visited by tourists. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we come to the end of our presentation. We would like to say thank you for your great participation. Hopefully the presentation will be beneficial for you all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, give up for SMK PGRI Slawi. Okay, thank you for SMK PGRI Slawi. The subject presented is very interesting to know. Okay, for Ambar Salsabila, Can you turn off your microphone? Okay, thank you. Okay, for the next, we have SMA PGRI Cikampek. SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, you can share screen now.
You wait.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, time is yours and good luck.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Ibu Dede and all the participants of this event, presenter, host, moderator, and observer, who I'm a part of. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Benam Sari.
My name is Rofil Yaryasiana.
My name is Muhammad Fadil Jaul.
So the title of presentation today is Academic Burnout. Maybe some of you don't understand what academic burnout is. So today, my friend and I will discuss it. What is academic burnout? Academic burnout refers to stress, burden, or other psychological factor due to learning process that student participants in that show a state of the emotional equation, attending to the personality and feelings of our personal achievements. Academic burnout refers to feeling tired to the demands of those study, having a cynical attitude toward lecture assignment, and feeling involvement as student, which is defined academic burnout is a person lack of interest in fulfilling assignment, low motivation, and further to the additional was expressed by Muna, who said that academic burnout is a mental condition in which a student experiences extreme boredom to carry out learning activities, and this boredom makes student learning motivation decrease. Practice a great sense of laziness, and discuss learning achievement. Working students are individuals who are studying at the tertiary level and activity status who are also running and boosters are trying to do a task that ends with the fruit of the work that can be enjoyed with person considered based on that from the National Center for Education Studies or NCES. In 2007, 40% study work more than student work more than 20 hours per week. From some of the opinion above, it can be included that academic burnout for working student work full time because of the drama of the study from the learning process that is followed, so that they have attended to the personalities, feel low personal achievement, and feel incompetent as student.
Student burnout symptoms. First, loss of confidence in academic abilities. In fact, self-confidence is also needed in the academic field. When a person experiences an academic, he or she will lose confidence in all matters related to academics. He is not sure of his ability to absorb lessons, complete assignment, let alone take exams. No matter how hard you try to understand the lessons, you will feel away, unable, and not optimal in learning. Second, unable to concentrate in receiving lessons. When boredom has attacked a person, of course, he will lose the motivation to learn. The lesson will look uninteresting and very boring. Moreover, when the class was running, he would find it very difficult to concentrate. His mind would not be able to focus and wanted the class to answer. This will have an impact on the emergence of a sense of laziness and decreased learning achievement. Third, feeling bored with all academic activities. Academic burnout also causes boredom of all things academic, let alone attending classes both online and offline.
knowing that our only lesson is already very lazy, especially if you have to work in groups, collect assignment, and take notes in class. It must be very frustrating for people who experience this. 4. Often feel tired even if you get enough rest. The body is able to show signs when someone is not feeling well. Just like when you are experiencing this problem, the body gives signal with endless fatigue, muscle weakness, and drowsiness throughout the day, even if you get enough rest. This happens because you are actually mentally exhausted, so you need to restore mental balance. 5. Always having trouble with time management. Do you like to work on deadlines or always late for class? Maybe you are experiencing symptoms of academic burnout. The reason is a person's inability to manage time is closely related to this condition. You need to rebalance life and reset everything from scratch. Refresh for a moment and manage stress so that everything is back to normal.
Okay, so my name is Muhammad Fadlan Wahab, and we are going to talk about how to prevent burnout in school. The first is make time for enjoyable activities, and not just on the weekend. Sprinkle your calendar with things you love to do throughout the week, and you will start to feel motivated to start your school days. This is one of the ways that can be to prevent the academic burnout in school. This is our friend who was singing a song to prevent academic burnout in school. Okay, so that is our friend who was singing a song to prevent academic burnout. Okay, so next we go to get plenty of physical exercise. Try to exercise at least 3 times a week, stay hydrated, and eat healthy to keep your mind and body active and healthy. Third is get outside. Studies have shown that time spent in nature can reduce stress level. So spend some of your free time in some greenery. Fourth is make time for social activities. Not only do friends and family provide you with a positive support systems, but time spent in a fun social environment will make you happier and give your mind a break. Fifth is set reasonable goals and stick to them. Use a calendar and daily reminders to stay motivated to achieve deadlines. Next is avoid procrastination. When you are feeling stressed, putting off assignment and project is tempting, but ultimately this will lead you to sleep deprivation, frustration, and end in more stress. Next is how to recover from school burnout. First is seek help. You may need the help of a professional. Speak to a guidance counselor, mental health counselor, school counselor, or other professional to help you overcome school burnout. You may also enlist the help of friends, family, and teachers. Next is recognize symptoms. Get to know the symptom of student burnout and don't ignore your mind and body. If you know you have a symptom, it's time to make changes. Next is don't ignore. Academic burnout will only get worse if you just keep pushing yourself forward and don't get help. Next is manage stress. Manage your stress level and make changes to reverse the burnout. Set aside time for yourself to decompress and reduce stress. Next is make important changes. Practice mindful breathing, eating, and socializing. Try medication breaks throughout the day as well. Rearrange your schedule for a better work-life balance.
Ways to avoid burnout. First, create reasonable goals. 2. Stick to deadlines, avoid procrastination. Third, sleep 7 until 9 hours per night. 4. Eat healthy and drink water. 5. Make friends with school colleagues so that school is also fun.
Number 6, take up plenty of break throughout the day. Number 7, set aside time for enjoyable activities throughout the week. Number 8, take a vacation or staycation every once in a while. Number 9, take walks and get outside when you can. Thank you for listening to our presentation today. We apologize if there are some mistakes or the us words that are lacking. I'm Verena and my friend. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye everyone. Bye.
Okay, give applause for SMA PGRI Cikampek. Okay, that's great subject presentation. Absolutely, the subject presentation gives us more information like symptoms of the academic burnout, like loss of confidence, unable to concentration, feeling bored, often feel tired, and always having trouble with time management. Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, what you feel now?
I don't feel I got into academic burnout. I don't think like that.
Oh, okay, that's great. Okay, next presenter we have SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. For SMK Jatiwangi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, okay. You can start share screen now. Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can start your presentation. Go ahead and good luck.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, saya Alhamdulillah because meet at this opportunity. The Honorable Miss Dede Suwatini, the Honorable our moderator today, Mr. Syahrul Nur Cahya, the Honorable all of the participants, teachers, and all our Miss friends. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dila, moderator, and my friends Poenusa and Hilda, presenter. In this presentation, our topic is traditional cup. We will discuss about genteng keramik. Okay, let's start. Is Hilda, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Dila. I will explain Jatiwangi Genteng Keramik. Jatiwangi District Majalengka Regency West Java has long been known as a center for genteng keramik production for Visi Jatiwangi, or other terms Jabar which are really used as roof. The roof of this house is made of clay or other terms clay. By burning, which began to exist in 1905, by burning, the figures who initiated the Jatiwangi Genteng products were Haji Umar bin Ma'ruf and Barnawi. The two people then taught the sign of genteng production to their employees, and another child factory affiliated the fate of Jatiwangi Genteng Keramik are as follows. Type 1, natural morando. Type 2, morando glazing brown genteng. Type 3, morando with green glazing add-on genteng. Type 5, with green glazing add-on genteng. Type 5, morando genteng with maroon glazing. Type 6, natural glazing plantong genteng. Type 7, the genteng brown glazing plantong. Type 8, transparency glazing plantong genteng.
Okay, thank you, Hilda. Next will be presented by Koirunisa. Step for making genteng keramik as follows. Step 1. Prepare the basic ingredients of clay and clay. Kemarin mention. Step 2. And cut the sides you need. Step 3. Knead is put into a mold, which is often called a press making. Step 4. After printing, then the tidy up immediately as well. Step 5. That it is neat, put the tie in the dry and let it rest for 3 days until the tile is not sticky. Step 6. After that, the genteng is ready to dry under the hot sun until it dries. Step 7. After drying, the genteng is ready to be burned at temperature of 1100 Celsius. Step 8. Once cooked, then the genteng is ready to use. Okay, thank you, Cornisa. Next will be presented by me, Dila. In 1970 until 1999, experiences the realm of Jatiwangi Genteng production. The level of community welfare West Soviet so that is favorability of East Asian countries in even Europe, even up to 500 PG. The collapse of the Jatiwangi Genteng industry emerged in 1998 until now, leaving only 150 factories still operating. This is due to the many competitors and competitors who produce genteng from fiber and plastic materials. At that time, the demand for steel was getting worse until now. Most of them have gone up business. Jatiwangi is also famous among artists both at home and abroad. Jatiwangi Art Factory JAF, a non-profit art community. JAF was founded in 2005. JAF also has many programs. These include the workshop, artist residence, musical performance, radio broadcast, bodybuilding keyboard, Jatiwangi Cup and Festival. The goal is to renew the ancient heritage with contemporary methods while preserving what is already there. For the festival itself, JAF was agenda that is held per year or 3 years. His name is Sapak Genteng. Okay, next will be presented by Hilda.
Okay, thank you, Dila. I will explain Rampak Genteng. Rampak Genteng is unique and interesting activity because it is the opening of the 2018 Ceramic Music Festival. Is the time when sound communication moved in. This activity was very well received from various circles.
Okay, thank you, Hilda. Next will be presented by Koirunisa. Rampak Genteng participants involve students from various schools, communities, drum players, dancers, and also to collaborate to become one in a beautiful musical harmony. And of course, unique because it uses ceramic tiles as its main instrument. Okay, thank you, Cornelia. Next will be presented by Midila. This activity was carried out before the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus pandemic in Indonesia. For that, in outside photo, it does not as health protocol. Its event is very interesting. Many remember and miss it. So many presentation from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, give applause for SMA PGRI. For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. Okay, that's great presentation. The subject of presenter gave us more information about how to make genteng Jatiwangi, and the presenter explained to steps by step how to make genteng Jatiwangi. That's great. Okay, thank you. Okay. For the next, we have SMA PGRI Rancaikek. Sorry, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can stop your share screen. Oh, okay, thank you. For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, Sorry, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can stop your share screen.
We will show you the video.
Udahan sebenarnya udahan. Oke. For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you will show you video of Rampak Genteng.
Bapak. This video of Rampak Genteng Jatiwangi. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I think the Rampak Genteng is very interesting, yeah. But even though we can hear the sounds, but it's still okay. Okay, we have next presentation. We have group from SMA PGRI Rancaikek.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from SMA PGRI Rancaikek. First of all, I will introduce my team. My name is Lena, our first speaker. The second speaker is Egi, and the last speaker is Astrid. We are talking about the variant of COVID-19. Coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The first known case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The disease has spread worldwide, causing an ongoing pandemic. COVID-19 is transmitted when people breathe air contaminated by droplets and small particles in the air. The risk of these inhalations is highest when people are in close proximity, but they can be inhaled over longer distance, especially indoors. Transmissions can also occur if splashed or sprayed with contaminated fluids in the eyes, nose, or mouth, and rarely through contaminated surface. People remain infectious for up to 20 days and can spread the virus even if they don't show any symptoms. The first variant, the Alpha variant. The Alpha variant, also known as the English variant, is a variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes coronavirus disease 2019. This variant was discovered in November 2020 and was first discovered in London and some parts of the UK. It is estimated that the Alpha variant is 40% to 80% more contagious than the original variant. The text to be continued to the next speaker.
Thank you, Lina. Beta variant, it was first discovered in Nelson Mandibay, Israel, Cape Province, South Africa, in October 2020. The bibliography analysis showed that this variant has emerged in the Nelson Mandibay until July or August 2020. This type of virus, also called B1351, is called that it did not work well in some deficing the Astra signal vaccine, as it only provides 10% protection against mild to moderate symptoms. Gamma variant was first discovered in Brazil and Japan. It is known that the Gamma variant can cause symptoms similar to other variants. About 38% can be transmitted to other people. Thank you. The next to be continued, next speaker.
Thank you, Egi. The last variant is Delta variant. The Delta variant was discovered in India in late 2020 and is thought to be responsible for some of the increase in cases in the second wave of pandemic in India. Reporting from Instagram, how come this variant can be contagious as much as 97%? The World Health Organization described the Delta variant as the fastest and strongest type of coronavirus identified so far and has spread to approximately 85 countries. The symptoms of the variant above are the same as the symptoms in general, but are more severe and difficult to treat by doctor. Don't go anywhere. First, if you don't want to be hit by the Delta variant and his friends.
How does it know if something is missing? Can be searched again from reliable source. Keep following the health protocol and stay healthy, everyone.
Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you for SMA PGRI Rancaikek. Give applause for SMA PGRI Rancaikek. Thank you for SMA PGRI Rancaikek. The subject present is of great value to us. Is explain about variant of COVID like Beta, Alpha, Gamma, and Delta. Okay, for now, we enter the question and answer session. In the session, divided into two parts. For the first question, will be presented by presenter to each presenter. And for the second, the question will be from the audience. Okay, for the first session, The question will be presented by presenter. Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, do you have question for other presenter?
Hello, my name is Ben Lestari. I'm from SMA PGRI Cikampek. My question to SMA Ranca Ekek. SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. There are so many people who don't ask mask right now, even though this coronavirus, Delta virus, Lambda virus. How do you rebook the who don't wear masks or don't want to get vaccinated? Thank you.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, is it clear?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, you can repeat the question.
There are so many people.
And more slowly, please.
Okay. There are so many people who don't ask masks right now, even though there's a COVID virus. How do you revert to who don't wear masks or don't want to get vaccinated? Thank you.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, is it clear?
Sorry, is it not clear?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, you can repeat your question and more slowly and louder.
Okay. There are so many people who don't ask masks right now, even though there is a COVID virus. How do you reboot those who don't wear masks or don't want to get vaccinated? Thank you. Again.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ekek, is it clear and you get the point? Are you get the point? Oh, nggak terus.
Wait a minute. We will answer later.
Oh, okay. Okay, while waiting for the answer from SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek to SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, do you have any question for other presenter?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, do you have any question for other presenters? SMK PGRI Slawi?
Yes.
Okay, do you have question for other participant?
Yes, I have a question for SMK PGRI, SMA PGRI Cikampek.
Don't forget to introduce yourself.
My name is Hilma Fitriana Rahida. I have a question for SMA PGRI Cikampek. My question is how to deal with someone experiencing burnout while studying at home.
Sorry, can repeat your question?
How to deal with someone experiencing burnout while studying at home.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, is it clear?
Can you repeat your question?
Can you repeat? Oh, okay, okay. Can you repeat your question, SMK PGRI Slawi?
Okay. How to deal with someone experiencing burnout while studying at home?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, is it clear?
Wait, give me some minute.
Oh, okay. Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, you can answer the question from SMA PGRI Cikampek. Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, have you done your discussion? And you can answer the question from SMK PGRI Cikampek.
I will answer the questions. For SMA PGRI Cikampek.
Okay, go ahead.
Give a warning to people which now wear the mask. Now all people must to vaccinate.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you get the point? And are you satisfied with the answer?
We can hear the answer.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, you can repeat again your answer.
Give a warning to people which now wear a mask. Now all people must to vaccine.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sorry. We will answer the question from
SMK PGRI Selawi.
We'll answer the question. So, the answer is loss of confidence in academic abilities, unable to concentrate in receiving lessons, feeling bored with all academic activities, often feel tired even if you get enough rest, and always having trouble with time management.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Selawi, is it clear? And are you satisfied with answer?
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Okay. The next, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, do you have any question for other participant?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, my name's Hilda from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have a question for SMK PGRI Selawi. What's on the Papandayan Mountain?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Selawi, is it clear?
Please, can you repeat the answer? The question?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can repeat again your question.
What's on the Papandayan Mountain?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Selawi, is it correct? Is it clear? SMK PGRI Selawi. Do you get the point?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to directly or do you need time to discuss?
I will answer now.
Okay.
Sulfur crater, Edelweiss Field, Dead Forest, Scenery and Mountains, Milky Way, Hot Spring, and Pondok Salada.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear? And are you satisfied with the answer?
Not clear.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, you can repeat again your answer.
Okay. Sulfur crater, Edowisfield, Dead Forest, scenery and mountains, Milky Way, Hot Spring, and Pondok Salada.
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay, for SMK.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, the next. For SMA PGRI Cikampek, do you have any question for other participant again? SMA PGRI Cikampek?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Fadlan Nihar. I have a question for SMA.
Pandanya itu apa ya?
SMA PGRI
Slawi, Papandayan SMK PGRI Slawi.
Okay, my question is, I read a little on the internet on top of Mount Papandayan. Is there a good shop? Do you think there is a lot of garbage or maybe not? Because if there is a lot of garbage, it will make climbers uncomfortable.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, is it
Morandis lagi.
Can you repeat the question?
okay for SMA PGRI Cikampek? You can repeat your question more slowly and louder.
Okay. So I read a little on the internet on top of the Mount Papandayan. Is there a food shop? Do you think there is a lot of garbage or maybe not? Because if there is a lot of garbage, it will make climbers uncomfortable. Is it clear?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, is it clear?
Please give me time to answer.
Oh, okay. For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you have any question for other participants?
Yes, I have question for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi.
Okay, go ahead.
How much Genteng Jatiwangi and what?
I'm sorry, introduce self.
My name is Astrid from SMA PGRI Rancaikek. How much Genteng Jatiwangi and what size and type of Genteng Jatiwangi? Thank you.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear? SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear? Do you get the point?
Yes, clear. My name is
Okay.
Dila from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I will answer question from SMA PGRI Rancaikek. The type of Jatiwangi Genteng Keramik egg type.
Okay, you can repeat again your question, your answer. I mean, you can repeat again your answer. Because I think it's not clear.
Okay. The type of Jatiwangi Genteng Keramik, 1, Morando and Lentong.
Okay, for SM PGRI Rancaikek, Is it clear? And do you get the point?
What is the sign size?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can answer the question. SMK PGRI Jatiwangi,
31 at 32. Same thing.
okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, for the next, for SMK PGRI Slawi, do you have any question for other participants? SMK PGRI Slawi, do you have any question?
My name is Diana Citra Susanti from SMK PGRI Slawi. I have a question from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. What factors make someone experience Okay. Sorry. How many people can play Rampak Genteng from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear? SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear?
Datang orang ke lapangan ya.
I will answer question from SMK PGRI Slawi. Two hands.
Okay, go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Hilda from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I will answer a question from SMK PGRI Slawi. 2,000 people.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, are you satisfied with your question?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, do you have any question for other participants?
Hello, my name is Harunisa from SMK PGRI. I have a question from SMK PGRI Slawi. What year was the last eruption of Mount Papandayan?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, is it clear? SMK PGRI Slawi, is it clear?
Okay, I will answer it from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. In historical records, Mount Papandayan has erupted several times, namely the The 12th of August 1772, the 11th of March 1923, the 13th of August 1942, and the 11th of November 2002.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, okay. Next, we have SMK SMA PGRI Cikampek. You still have one question.
Yes, we have.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can answer it.
Okay, my name is Rovelia Resiana. I want to ask to SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek.
I'm sorry. You still have one question. There you have not answered yet. From SM. Oh, oops. Sorry. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Okay, we have a question. We have a question for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. The question is, you have told us the variant of COVID-19. Can you explain the symptoms of each variant's COVID-19? That's clear?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, is it clear? Oh, okay. For SMK. Okay.
You have told us the variant of COVID-19. Can you explain the symptoms of each variant's COVID-19?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, do you get the point? SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. Do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
I will answer from SMA PGRI Cikampek. The Alpha variant, also known as the
Introduce yourself.
My name is Lina from SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. The Alpha variant, also known as the English variant, is a variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes coronavirus disease 2019.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yeah, that's clear. Thank you.
Thank
You're welcome.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, you still have a question that you have not answered yet, right? SMK PGRI Slawi.
Okay, I will answer now. A group
Introduce yourself.
My name is Hilma Fitriana Aida. A group of students were nature trying to solve the waste problem in a number of ways. For example, forbidding the campground to bring a small plastic bottle with water. Also ask the campers to bring as much trash as possible when going down the mountain. Meanwhile, the group that is trying to eliminate waste Jerwas from Bandung. Surprises was from the start. The trick is to bring food and drinks without packing. Then put it in plastic container or other material that is usually used for a long time.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes. It's clear.
Oh, okay. Next, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you have any question for other participants?
Yes, I have a question.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Lina from SMA PGRI Rancaikek, and I have a question for SMK PGRI Slawi. How much ticket if we want to enter Mount Papandayan?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, is it clear?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, can you repeat the question? SMA PGRI Rancaikek?
How much ticket if we want to enter Mount Papandayan?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, do you want to answer directly or need time to discuss?
Okay, I will answer. Entrance ticket is 35,000 rupiah per person.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. For SMK PGRI Slawi, do you have any question for other participants? Okay, for the next, we have presenter from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, do you have any question for other participants?
Yes, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead. Introduce yourself.
My name is Dila Wulia from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have a question for SMK PGRI Cikampek. How to deal with academic burnout?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, is it clear?
Okay, that's clear. Thank you.
Do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss? This question from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi.
Can you repeat the question? Sorry.
To deal with
Okay.
burnout?
SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can repeat your question.
How to deal with academic burnout?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Cikampek, is it clear? Do you need time to discuss?
We need some a
Okay,
minute.
take your time. Okay, take your time. For SMK PGRI Slawi, are you there? Or you can ask the question in the chat box if you have unstable connection.
I am Gita Puspita Maharani from SMK PGRI Slawi. I have question for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi.
Okay.
My question is, what is makes Genteng Keramik Jatiwangi different from other Genteng Keramik?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi,
I'm sorry.
is it clear?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat the question? Okay.
Okay. SMK PGRI Slawi.
What makes
You can repeat
Genteng
your
Keramik
question.
Jatiwangi different from other Genteng Keramik?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear?
I'm sorry, just time to answer.
Okay. We back to SMA PGRI Cikampek. Do you have finished your discussion?
Okay.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Fadhanya Ulhaq. I will answer question for SMA PGRI Jatiwangi. So how to deal with academic burnout? The first is seek help. Second is recognize symptoms. Number 3 is don't ignore. Number 4 is manage your stress. And the last is make important changes. Is it clear?
Okay, for SMK Jatiwangi, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you still have a question that you haven't answered yet, right?
My name is Dilaulia from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have a question for SMK PGRI Selawi. The quality is better and can last for decades.
Okay, is it clear?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Okay, SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, you can repeat your answer.
The quality is better and can last for decades.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. For the participant, you may write the question on the chat box. Okay, for the presenters, all presenters, do you have any question for other presenters? For all presenters. And for the observer, you may start to write the question on the chat box. Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, do you have any question again?
No, thank you.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you have any question again?
Yes, I have question for SMK Sulawesi. It is open to the public during the Papanayan.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Egi for SMK PGRI Rancaikek. I have question for SMK Sulawesi. It is open the public during the Papanayan travel pandemic.
For SMK PGRI Selawi, is it clear? Okay, maybe you can repeat your question, SMK PGRI Rancaikek.
It is open the public during the Papanaya travel pandemic.
For SMK PGRI Selawi, is it clear? Do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Yes, my name is Hilma Fitriana Rahida. I will answer. Monta Pandayan is open every day to the public from morning to evening.
How about in the pandemic?
It's still open.
Okay. For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, are you satisfied with your question?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. For SMK PGRI Selawi, do you have any question again?
My name is Diana Citra Susanti from SMK PGRI Selawi. I have any question from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. From SMK PGRI Cikampek, what factor makes someone experience an academic burnout?
Can you repeat your question? I think it's not clear.
What factors make someone experience an academic burnout?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Cikampek, is it clear?
Yeah, wait and give a minute.
Okay. For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, do you have any question again?
Yes. I have a question.
Go ahead.
Yeah. My name is Dede Hilda from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have a question for SMK PGRI Rancaikek. Name one of the most deadly and dangerous variant of COVID.
For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, is it clear?
Can you repeat the question?
Can you repeat your question, SMK PGRI Jatiwangi?
Okay. Name one of the most deadly and dangerous variant of COVID.
For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, is it clear?
Yes, I will answer the question. The Delta, because this variant
Introduce
is
yourself.
My name is Astrid from SMA PGRI Rancaikek. The Delta variant, because it is the variant fast and strong type of coronavirus.
For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, are you satisfied with your question? Can you repeat again your answer?
It is very dangerous, the Delta, because He is spread, fast and strong.
For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, is it clear?
Yes, clear. Thank you.
For SMA PGRI Cikampek, you still have one question. Do you want to answer it? SMA PGRI Cikampek?
Yeah. We will and we will answer the question from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. The factors of academic burnout is
Selawi,
putting
sorry.
off.
From Selawi.
From Selawi.
The question from Selawi.
The factors academic burnout is putting off assignment and projects, and this will lead to sleep deprivation, frustration, and in more stress, and you will get academic burnout. Is that clear?
For SMK PGRI Selawi, is it clear?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, we have a question in the chat box. For the first, we have question from Dati Amani. Dati Amani, you can turn on your microphone.
Okay. Hello, my name is Dati Amani from SMK PGRI Selawi. I have a question for SMA PGRI Rancaekek. My question is, what is the difference among the variants of COVID-19? Thank you.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaekek, do you need time to discuss or do you want to answer directly?
Yeah, we need time to discuss about the question.
Okay. For the next, we have question from Wilasi Jabarila. For Wilasi Jabarila, you can turn on your microphone.
Hi, my name is Rasi from SMK PGRI Selawi. I have a question for SMA PGRI Cikampek. The question is, if someone experience academic burnout after being treated, will he recover completely as before? If he recover, will he experience academic burnout over time? Thank you.
For SMA PGRI Cikampek, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Give me a minute.
Okay. For SMA PGRI Rancaekek, do you want to answer now? The question from Dati Amani. SMA PGRI Rancaekek, do you want to answer now? Okay. Next, we have Tina. Tina, can you turn on? You can turn on your microphone.
Okay. Hi, my name is Tina. I'm from SMK PGRI Telagasari. I have question for SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. The question is, what is the size of Genteng Keramik Jatiwangi?
For SMK PGRI Jatiwangi, do you want to answer directly?
My name is Dila Ulia from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I will answer question from Tina. Length is 31 centimeter and width is 32 centimeters.
Okay, Tina, are you satisfied with your answer?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. For SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, you still have a question that you haven't answered yet. Do you want to answer now? Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, you still have a question you haven't answered yet. Do you want to answer now?
My name is Fenosari. I am the answer to SMK PGRI Slawi. When someone experiences academic burnout, will they recover completely? Actually, it depends on the person. If someone still fighting of the assignment, of course, they will get a depression and feel the academic burnout again.
Wilasih, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, you still have a question. Do you want to answer now? SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek,
I will answer my name. My name is Astrid from SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. I will answer the question. Because AstraZeneca vaccine not work for the COVID, but can work after 3 months for COVID.
okay, for Dati Amani, is it clear?
Sorry, can you repeat your answer?
Can you repeat your question, your answer? SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek?
Because AstraZeneca vaccine not work for the COVID, but can work after 3 months for the COVID.
Okay, for Dati Amani, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, next we have question from Nurul. Nurul,
Yes, I'm
you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
I'm Nurul Amilin from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have question for SMK PGRI Slawi. My question is, how come all the plants in the dead forest all die like that? Has Mount Papandayan ever erupt, causing the plant in the dead forest to die? Is clear for you?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, is it clear?
You need time. Please give me time to answer.
Okay, take your time. Next, we have question from Muhammad Halik Jaya. Okay, you can turn on your microphone.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Halik Jaya. I am from SMK PGRI Lembang. I have question for SMK PGRI Slawi. The question is, what the capacity of Mount Papandayan visitors limited? If limited, how many is the capacity limit?
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, do you need time to discuss?
Yes.
Do you need time to discuss or you will answer directly?
Answer now. During the pandemic, the visitors are limited for maximum 10 person per group, and they must apply the health protocol.
Okay, for Muhammad Halis Jaya, is it clear? Are you satisfied with your answer?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, you still have a question. You want to answer now?
Please give me time to answer.
Okay. Next, we have question from Fitri Nuraini.
Yes.
Fitri Nuraini, you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Okay, hello, my name is Fitri Nuraini. I'm from PGRI Cimahi Vocational High School. I have question for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. Is there any further explanation why the AstraZeneca vaccine doesn't work for the beta variant of COVID? Thank you.
Okay, for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
My name is Lina from SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, and I will answer the questions. Because AstraZeneca vaccine not work for the COVID, but can work after 3 months for the COVID.
Okay, for Fitri Nuraini, is it clear?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, you still have a question. Do you want to answer now? SMK PGRI Slawi, do you want to answer now?
Okay, I will answer the question from Nurul Anilin. Based on the history, the few of dead trees in the dead forest originated from the eruption of Mount Papandayan that occurred 100 years ago. The all-powerful eruption occurred on the 11th of 12th of August 1772 without any prior warning.
Okay, for Nurul,
Yes.
are you satisfied with your question?
Yes, thank you for the answer.
Okay. Next, we have question from Santi Mulyaningsih. Santi Mulyaningsih, you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Okay. Hello, my name is Santi Mulyaningsih from SMK PGRI Slawi. I have a question for SMK PGRI Cikampek. The question is, is there a relationship between self-esteem and academic burnout in studying?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Cikampek, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Okay, we will answer now. So my name is Rafilia Yasiana. I will answer the question. No, there's no relationship between self-esteem and academic burnout.
Okay, for Santi, is it clear?
Okay, yes, thank you.
Next, we have question from Delia. Delia, you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Hello, I am Delia from SMA PGRI Parakancang. I have a question for SMK PGRI Slawi. The question is, how is history of origin Papandayan?
For SMK PGRI Slawi, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Yes, I'll answer.
I will answer from Adelia, SMK Delia from SMA PGRI Parakan Muncang. The history or origin of Mount Papandayan begins with a group of people who had a magical voice while crossing Mount Papandayan. The sound heard by a group of people sounded like the sound of iron being hit. The sound is the same as a blacksmith making tool, such as knife, matches this age propitially. They took the voice was the voice of a supernatural being after investigating. It turned out the voice came from the creator of Mount Papandayan. Because the sound that comes out of the creator of Mount Papandayan sounds like the sound at a blacksmith's workplace, this mountain is named Mount Papandayan. Papandayan is taken from the Sundanese Pandai, which means people who work as blacksmiths.
For for Delia, is it clear?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Next, we have question from Anissa Zahra. Anissa Zahra, you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Okay. Hello, I'm Anissa Azara from SMK PGRI Cibinong. I have for SMK PGRI Selaawi. My question is, if I want to go to Papandayan Mountain, do I must have a certificate of vaccination? Thank you.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Selaawi.
Yes, I
Do you want to
will
answer?
Yes, I
Go
will
ahead.
answer the question from Anissa Zahra. For now, they need to show certificate of vaccination or health certificate from doctor to enter Gunung Papandayan.
For Anissa Zahra, is it clear?
Yes, that's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, next question from Nurul Amin. Nurul Amin, you can turn on your microphone.
Yes, I'm Nurul Amilin from SMK PGRI Jatiwangi. I have question for SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek. My question is, does your school hold vaccination for students? If so, how do you feel about this vaccination? Are you afraid to be vaccinated, or do you really recommend the vaccination? Okay.
For SMA PGRI Ranca Ekek, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Wait a minute.
Okay, next. We have question from Fitri Nuraini. Fitri Nuraini, you can
Yes.
turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Okay. My name is Fitri Nuraini. I'm from PGRI Cimahi Vocational High School. I have question for SMK PGRI Selaawi. My question is, what's on Mount Papandayan?
For SMK PGRI Selaawi, do you want to answer directly or do you need time to discuss?
Answer. Okay, I answer from Fitri Nuraini. Fitri Nuraini from SMK PGRI 2 Cimahi. Okay. One sulfur crater to Edelweiss Trail in forest and for scenery and mountain, 5 Milky Way, 6 hot springs, and Pondok Salada.
For Fitri Nuraini, is it clear?
Sorry, repeat.
Okay, for SMK PGRI Slawi, you can repeat your answer.
Okay. One sulfur crater, two Edelweiss field, three dead forests, and scenery and mountains, five Milky Way, six hot spring, and seven Pondok Salada.
Okay, for Fitri Nuraini, is it clear?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, you still have a question. Do you want to answer now? SMA PGRI Rancaikek.
My name is Astrid for SMA PGRI Rancaikek. I will answer the question from Nurul Amin. Not yet, because our school still learning, and we agree if our school get vaccinated.
Okay, for Nurul Amilin.
Okay, thank you
Is it
for the
clear?
answer.
Okay, you're welcome. Next, we have question for Anissa Zahra. Anissa Zahra, you can turn on your microphone and ask your question.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Anissa Azara from SMK PGRI itu Cibinong. I have a question for SMA PGRI Rancaikek. So my question is, in your opinion, does naming the virus variant actually make the virus look even more frightening? If yes, why?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you want to answer now?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, can you repeat your question?
Okay, my question is, in your opinion, does naming the virus variant actually make the virus look even more frightening? If yes, why? Is that clear?
Okay, for SMA PGRI Rancaikek, is it clear? SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you want to answer now? SMA
We have
PGRI
some
Rancaikek.
information. Can you repeat the question again?
Okay, for Anissa Zahra, can you repeat your question?
Okay. In your opinion, does naming the virus variant actually make the virus look even more frightening? If yes, why? Write my question in the chat.
For SMA PGRI Rancaikek, do you want to answer now?
I will answer the question from Anissa Zahra. My name is Astrid from SMA PGRI Rancaikek. Yes, the Delta variant is very dangerous because can be contagious as much as 97% and has spread up to approximately 85 countries.
Okay, for Anissa Zahra, is it clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, it's the last question for the Even Jabar Speaks Up. Miss Dede, I think it's over time. Can I should stop it?
Yeah, Syahrul. Time is over. It's more than 30 minutes more, yeah, from now.
Yeah.
And the presentation for today are so enthusiastic. So many questions come from presenters and also from the observer. But it is a pity that time is over. So maybe you may come to the next session, yeah, to ask again the question. And for today, I would like to say thank you to Syahrul as the moderator, and then for the host, yeah, because she has a problem in connection, so but it's still okay, yeah, because can mute all the speaker that disturb this session. So the video conference today is running well. Okay, thank you. And also for all the presenters, there are 4 schools today, yeah, from SMA PGRI Cikampek, and then from SMK Jatiwangi, SMK PGRI Selaawi, and SMA PGRI Rancaekek, yeah. Although some school have problem in connection for the first, but finally they can come to the room and can make presentation and make asking question good. Okay, and then for all the observer too, thank you very much for your coming today, because all the questions are good, yeah, come from the presenter and the observers. Okay, and then because time is over, I think Syahrul can make closing for today presentation.
I think host in the room, Miss Dede.
Yeah. Yeah, you may make closing for today.
Okay, thank you for attention present. Miss. Sorry, Miss Dede. Okay, thank you for presenter, observer, for the attention and participation. See you in the next time. For the next, will be guided to the host, Miss Dede.
Okay. Okay, Anissa, do you still in this room?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe you may take the picture before we close it.
I'm so sorry, Miss Dede. I can't take a picture because I have a problem with my laptop.
Okay, it's okay. Okay,
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Okay, I think you may, yeah, for all of the, for all of you, you may open your camera because we are going to take your picture.